This is Heidie Calero. You can listen to Facebook Heidie Calero at the Voice of Heidie Calero. It's our economic capsules regarding the Puerto Rico economy. As we spoke before, investment is an important force behind growth, and let alone economic development in the island, as in any other economy. So today we are going to talk about credit, that important fuel. It's the gasoline behind projects of investment that make growth a possibility. As I can show you in my graph, the following graph depicts the private credit available from through commercial banks. It shows from 1995 the deposits, commercial deposits, the red line, as well as total loans, the blue line. Notice that with the exception of up to 2008, we saw these deposits and loans growing enormously until the Great Depression, the bubble of the real estate crisis. And then thereafter, we see the commercial banks reducing loans as well as deposits. And even though we had, at some point in time, as of 1995, we almost had $6 billion in deposits of Section 936. That's 20% of all banking deposits in Puerto Rico were related to that important section, which was eliminated in 1996 and phased out by 2006. But before that, the commercial deposits were eliminated. What's important here is to know that we had 20 commercial banks back in 1990. Today, as of 2019, we have 9 commercial banks, and we are going to be left with 6 commercial banks by 2020, of which 3 are really 3 local large banks, and 3 others are very small. So when you, as a customer, go to fetch a loan or to apply for a loan, think, are you going to do it for consumption, like a purchase of a car, or are you going to do it for investment, like redoing your house or rebuilding the roof of your house? Now, let's look at public credit. It's the fuel of infrastructure. It's the fuel of highways, of hospitals, of industrial buildings that really make productive capacity in the future a possibility. Our graph depicts the public debt of Puerto Rico since 1984, when it used to be like almost $8.7 billion and accounted for 62% of GNP. Today, as of 2018, it's almost $70 billion, 92% of GNP, and the financial markets are closed for Puerto Rico. Since 2016, we are under the mandated law of PROMESA, and Puerto Rico has a supervisory fiscal board, which is trying to renegotiate the public debt, because we have, under Title III of that particular law, it's the board that can renegotiate that public debt. Well, it's been 3 years now. It's very complex, very difficult. And you know what? You need to grow the economy if we are going to pay for that debt, whether it's the renegotiated debt or whether we are going to invest in growth. In our next intervention, we are going to be talking about a consumption economy versus a production economy. Don't forget to look us up in Facebook, Heidie Calero. Thank you.